Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing right here in my hand, and basically what this is a Shiatsu neck and back massager that has a heating option for the actual product itself. So there's obviously a lot of similar products out there in the market today that is very similar to this one right here, but this is the one that we got right here. So first thing first, I'm going to show you guys the different parts on the actual product itself first. So this part is where you just want to put onto your back or your shoulder or whatever. So something like this. So you want to put it onto your back area, your shoulder area or whatever, and just start massaging it. And as you can see right here, they have all the buttons right here. So they have a power button, they have a rotation button, there's mode level 1, mode level 2, and then right here is the heating option right here. So this one is definitely very simple. It only has 2 different modes. There's some of them out there that has like 3 modes, 8 modes, 6 modes or whatever. This is very simple where it only has 2 modes. But if you guys want more mode, there is other options out there available for you guys. If you take a look at the bottom part right here, you guys can see they have a little cable right here. So the cable that we use for this product is something like this right here. So you just want to plug this part right here into right here to power it on. And the way how you guys know whether or not the actual product is on or when it's charging, the light should light up right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. The cool thing about these products is the fact that they do have a built-in like armrest or whatever. So you actually use it to grip it onto yourself. So let me actually show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you guys put it behind your back like this. And then let's take a look right here. So let's have this option right here to put your arm like this. And then use your arm to pull it or whatever to give you guys that deeper massage or whatever. So if I turn it on, you guys can see it's moving right there. So I just use it behind my back like this and just pull it. I can definitely feel the actual massage going really deep in there. If it's not strong enough, you guys can definitely change the mode to be stronger. So if I press this button right here, it will change the speed level to be much faster and stronger as well. If I can see right there. If I turn on the heat option, if I click on this button right here, you guys can see a red light pops on in the back, and that's how you guys know the heating option is on. So you can see the way how it's going right now. If I press the auto rotation button, it'll go the other way. So I press on this one right here, see what happens. It stops and it goes the other way. So that's definitely really cool. So the moment we turn on the heating option, I can definitely feel the heat starting to build up like immediately. So it's definitely really cool to give you guys that kind of like massaging feeling, but also give you guys that kind of like heat therapy for your back, your shoulders, or wherever you guys want to plan on using this product itself. And if you can hear from the product itself, it's actually really quiet. In terms of the material that they have right here, it is a mesh material right here. And if you're wondering where can you guys actually use this product for, like what part of your body, you guys can refer to this photo right here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually go plug this in to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys plug it in, and also what the heat option looks like and how to know when it's on. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product in darker setting. Let me turn it on. Alright, so once you guys have it on, it should look something like this. If you guys want to turn off the heating option, just press this button right here. And see the light turns off. So now it's using normal mode, but once you guys press this button right here, it changes the light to red. So that's how you guys know the heating option is working right there. If you guys want to change the speed level, just press this button right here. So this is on slow, and this is on high. If you guys want to reverse it, press this button right here, and it goes the other way. So those are all the buttons controls on here, you guys can see. And when you guys plug in the cable to charge it, right here, so just like that, once you guys plug it in, you guys can see a red indicator light right there. So that's how you guys know when it's charging. And I believe once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or just change to a different color. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and it works quite well. And it's really easy to change the different mode and change the different heat option as well if you guys want to use the heat option for heat therapy. But you can definitely use this product for different parts of your body, whether it be for your neck, your shoulder, your legs, or any other part of your body. You can definitely use it in all different situations. And the cool thing about these products or any kind of product similar to this, they do have the overheat protections. So actually will turn off around like after 15 minutes of usage to give you guys that protection to prevent the product from overheating and everything else. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick test of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of like neck or back massager that's very similar to this are super worth it if you guys want to get that deep percussion massage. Like especially if you guys compare using this to like a massage gun. Yes, massage gun works really well, but if you guys want to reach like your back area, you guys can't really reach it. So that's where one of these comes in handy. So you can actually put it onto your back and just pull the actual strap on the side right here to wherever you guys want to use it to give you guys that really deep tissue massage that you guys can't reach with a massage gun. Unless you guys have someone else to use the massage gun to help you guys, this is a much better option to go for. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.